Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnails, I'm about to show you where to find the app drawer on your Android phone. So make it sure to watch this until the end because I will also show you how to customize it however you want. So without further ado, let's get started. So a lot of people get confused by word app drawer, but honestly, it's not complicated at all. The app drawer is simply the place where all your installed apps live, even the ones that aren't showing on your home screen. Alright, so on your home screen, just swipe up from the bottom of the screen. This open the app drawer where you will see every app installed. On some phones, you might also see a grid icon that does the same thing. So here we are. If you want to customize your app drawer, here's what you need to do. Just simply touch and hold anywhere on your home screen for 2 to 3 seconds. And after that, a small menu will pop up. Tap home settings or desktop settings, it may vary by your phone. Alright, so after that, just customize however you want. From here, you can change the app grid size, adjust icon shape or size, choose to hide the app drawer on some phones, set up gesture or animation styles. So that's it. Now you know where the app drawer is, how it works, and how to customize your home screen to match your style. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.